Welcome to W Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions. 1000 BPH compact poultry processing line just completed and ready for shipment. Designed for small and medium poultry slaughterhouses under 1000 birds per hour. Fully assembled, pre-tested, plug and play on arrival. Unload, connect, start production, no complex installation needed. Process flow includes live bird hanging, stunning optional for halal manual killing, bleeding, scalding, plucking, head pulling, evisceration and feet cutting. Efficient layout, only 140 HQ plus 120 F needed for shipping, 240 HQ with spin chiller. Core components: stunning machine, bleeding line, scalding machine, plucker, head puller, feet cutter and optional spin chiller. Built fully with 304 stainless steel, durable and corrosion resistant. We upgrade what others ignore: waterproof bearing housings, internal oil filling ports, and aluminum key components instead of iron used by most suppliers. Longer lifespan, lower maintenance cost. Ideal for poultry farms, abattoirs, broiler processing plants, chicken meat factories, and global equipment distributors. Providing high output, stable performance and fast installation with minimal labor. W Machinery since 1984, SO certified manufacturer exporting worldwide. Focused on safe, efficient and humane poultry slaughter solutions. W Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions. Follow us for more slaughter equipment videos and global project updates.